In episode 1, we introduced the dashboard, your command center for AVAS Pro. Now let's look at how everything comes together from start to finish. Not just running an event, but how AVAS adapts to your organization and then executes from start to finish without complexity. Every workflow starts with context. In AVAS, you define your organization once, your properties, your operational rules, and how your business actually runs. This isn't something you do every day, it's the foundation AVAS reasons from. We move over to inventory after we create the properties. Via smart upload, you upload your gear once, audio, video, lighting, Excel sheet, generic document, doesn't matter. AVAS automatically understands quantities, compatibility, and redundancy requirements. From this point on, every recommendation is grounded in what you actually own via that property. And then you can jump over to room setup. You define capacities, layouts, default AV packages, and how each space is typically configured. Based on that, when an event comes in, AVAS already understands the environment. And now let's bring over to a BEO or a generic AV request. This is the parser. This could be a banquet order, sales proposal, a simple AV request email. No formatting required, and AVAS can read the document, extracts the schedule, the room, the attendance, and the AV needs automatically. And then it creates the event. So from that request, AVAS instantly creates it, schedules it, client, room, attendance, already structured and ready. No manual setup and no retyping information required because it's all ready there. And then we move into building the quote. So this is where most platforms slow you down, is the quote process, from all the information, gathering it and continuing it down the funnel, right? AVAS turns this into a guided process. You can add stuff, you can subtract stuff. When you add gear, AVAS automatically includes every required accessory, cables, stands, batteries, checklist, everything up to date. You can auto apply room defaults instantly. So when an event comes in and it doesn't have a room, you can schedule it a room, or it automatically finds a fit for that room. So if you don't have clients or information coming in from other departments that give you that availability to know where that event is and it's all on you, you're able to do that. You're able to have a sales force in your pocket. So when you're ready, you can generate the quote. Pricing, labor, service charges, taxes, and availability are all calculated instantly based on your settings on the property. And then we can jump over to pipeline. So right here, inquiry, quoted, approved, and scheduled. As the quote is approved, the event moves automatically through the pipeline, right? So as you move the client through, it moves through here, and it's added to your event planner with all that information integrated into the event planner. So it stays visible on the dashboard as well in your active events. So nothing falls through the cracks, you don't lose any information, all the data is there, secured, jump back whenever you are, right from the dashboard. And then we can send a client confirmation email directly when the event is completed. This is regarding and not including you being, emailing, negotiating, all that stuff. So it's able to send a confirmation email, generates it, a professional message based on the event details and the quote. You can add all this in blocks, or you can fully just generate it yourself. Every message is logged automatically inside that event. So instead of searching through inboxes and email threads, those email threads sent from AVAS and all the content in that event is within it, and it can be exported wherever it needs to go, but there's always a home base. And then the text sheet. So moving down, once you hit completed, only once the event is finalized, the AVAS then generates a text sheet. So it's not a consistent chase the paper, update the plan. This guarantees your crew sees locked and accurate information. There's the gear list, accessories, cable diagram, and allows them to drop down an event inside of the room designer and create the room based on the availability of the inventory inside of the program. So it's instantly available in the crew mobile app as well, and synced to their event calendar. So they don't have to go and manually add anything to their calendars. They have it all right there, already added. That's the entire workflow. Set up once, execute fast, and stay organized from start to finish. This is AVAS Pro.